Now I have the confidence to approach businesses that I don't know and tell them this is my rate, and if you don't like it, then you're not the client for me, and that's okay. I never would have had that confidence without her course. So
it's really because of this path that I took Julia's program that I can confidently say, yes, I'll come out and I'll work with you.
GeekPack community and everything kind of pushed me forward, and it's through the training and community that I guess I got the confidence to be able to work online as a web developer.
The first few jobs that I took on as a web developer, I definitely had imposter syndrome and didn't feel like I knew what I was doing. But over the year, you know, by learning from my fellow people in the group and by really, you know, being vulnerable about the things that I don't know and asking for help, it's really shown me that there's nothing wrong with that. And it's really allowed me to become a better developer by, you know, taking those opportunities to learn. And that has affected my confidence as a freelancer as well.
More confidence in going out and finding clients. So many different experts that come in and do the talks, that helps so much with them giving all the confidence.
It was the confidence booster for sure.
But I knew that this could change my life and everybody else's life. So I'm like, well, if Julia says I can do it, then I'm going to do it.